Hello everyone, this is the new video by Flash Trade 1 where I'm showing one of the real account. In this account we are trading all the GPP related pairs, all the CAD related pairs, all the JPY related pairs and all the Euro related pairs. I'm updating this account as of now for the 5th time today. First of all, let's verify the first order ID of this account. The first order ID of this account is 40606015. You can verify the same order ID in all the previous 4 updates. I will attach the link of all the previous 4 updates of this account in the description of my video, so you can visit all those past updates and verify that the account that I'm showing as of now and the account what I have shown in previous updates, they are same. During the previous updates, the total profit on the account was $51,700, creating the ROI 51.7%. In the update 1, update 2, I've shown the trading excess of this account by placing the live order and confirmed that Flash Trade 1 is only the one who is trading this account. The last update was made on January 11, 2021. Today the date is 15th of January 2021. So after 4 days, I'm updating this account I'm updating this account again. Here you can see that the trading lot size is 1. Slowly and gradually we have been reached it at trading lot size of 1.6. So here we are trading very patiently with compounding lot size. All the trades here are placed or are traded with our trend indicator. This is our multiple in one trade indicator indication and our support demand indicator. This is our support and this is our demand indicator. So here we place the trade as per the indication shown by our support demand and trend indicator. You can see that here trades are open or kept open for hours and they are closed within 24 hours of time. So we use here M1, M30 and H1 time frame to place the trade in this account. Now we'll see that we'll see the statement of this account. I'm moving in the statement where you can see that total profit on the account is 61,700. Here from at initial stage the graph has been very much upside and constant move with drawdown of just 3% on this account. Total trades placed on the account is 1645, where profit trades are 1066 and loss trade is 579, creating the real accuracy of the account 64.8. This is the real accuracy of the account, while the break-even accuracy of this account is 49.0. This is the break-even point of the account. So here we are doing almost 15% better than our break-even accuracy. Using this average profit and average trades, one can find the break-even accuracy. Also using this same average profit 121 divided by 116, one can find the risk reward of this account, which is 1:1. Here consecutive wins is 4, consecutive losses 2. So we make the 4 profit trades and then makes the 2 loss trades. So this is the basic example of how the consecutive wins and consecutive loss has been used. Profit factor of this account is 1.9, which is very good. Now we will compare this account with the previous updates. Let me erase things before I show you. Where you can see that deposit of 100k was made on this account at date 3rd of December 2020. So here 1 month and 2 weeks has been completed on this account. Real accuracy of the account as of now at a current stage, it's 64.8, while during the previous update the real accuracy of the account was 63.5. so here our trading accuracy or trading pattern has been improved. Break-even point is 49.3 and as of now it is 49.0. so whenever any client is trading his account, then they need to maintain three things in the account. The first one is the accuracy of the account, the second one is the break-even, and third one is the risk reward. One should always try to increase the accuracy of the account, decrease the break-even accuracy of the account, or maintain or increase the risk reward of the account. Real accuracy of the account previous time was 63.5, as of now 64.8. so we have increased our real accuracy. Break-even point previous time was 49.3, as of now it is 49.5. we have decreased our break-even accuracy. Risk reward of the account previous time was 1:1, as of now also it is 1:1. so we have maintained the risk reward of this account. Total trades on this account is 1645. now let's count it. 1645 divided by 1 month and 2 weeks, creating 45 days. so 36 to 40 trades are placed daily on this account. Total profit on the account, you can see total profit on the account is 61,700 with deposit of 100k, withdrawal of 0. Here the client is going to withdraw the amount only after he gets 100% return on his account. so profit on the account is 61,500. previous time 4 days before, the total profit was 51,500. we have been able to make $10,000 profit in 4 days of time, and real accuracy of the account is 61.7. each day profit one can consider 1,300 to 1,500 daily on the same account. Here we are using all the opportunities of GBP, all the opportunities of Euro. As there is stimulus package, we are using the opportunity of Euro, then of JPY, then of CAD related pairs, retail sales data of CAD, and we combine the fundamental data and the technical levels and place the trade on this account. so here the trading is being done with proper analysis, with the proper focus, with the proper discipline, with the proper patience, and these are only the reasons that we have been able to make such kind of profit in this account in very short period of time. Planning is to reach here 100% on this account within 2 months period of time, and then the client will start withdrawing its capital. Here we are making this video just to make you understand that how we are analyzing this account, how we are trading this account, and how you can also earn the same kind of profit in your account too. It's very easy if you join our meter trading service to earn the profit in your own account, in your MT4 account with our strategy. Also, we do not want any trader to lose his capital by doing any wrong kind of trading. So we show the statement and we show all kinds of analysis. Then one can also make it in his or her account even if they don't join our service also. Before we apply any strategy on our client account, we backtest that strategy for 10 years. Again, we apply the same strategy in real company, real account for 1 year, and then we apply that strategy into our client account. So we are not doing any kind of experiment on our client account, and we do attach the trading strategy only after the proper analysis and 100% guarantee return. So this is how You can also earn the same kind of profit. Ask our executive, talk with our WhatsApp executive, Telegram executive, Instagram executive, Facebook executive, and ask them that how you can also be part of our mirror trading service. We'll meet in the next video. Until that, goodbye, take care, and have a happy trading.